Fusion5 HELIOS12 Windows 11 Tablet Review. Real test, active cooling proof worth it.
Ever feel like your tablet is constantly betraying you right when you need it most? You're in a client meeting, stylus in hand, ready to sign a contract digitally, and suddenly the screen freezes. Or you're taking notes in class and the lag between pen and pixel makes your handwriting look like a toddler's scribble. That sinking frustration is real. Has your current tablet ever embarrassed you like that? That knot in your stomach tightens every time you power it on, wondering if today's the day it crashes mid-task. You've tried cheap Android tablets, app compatibility disaster. You've tried budget Windows devices, thermal throttling turned them into hot, sluggish bricks within minutes. But there's a smarter, calmer way to get real Windows power, genuine stylus precision, and all-day reliability without gambling on another disappointment.
Then I stumbled across the Fusion5 HELIOS12 HELIOS12 Windows 11 tablet, and everything clicked into place. Don't just pick any Windows tablet. Make sure it has active cooling and a genuine included stylus so you never suffer laggy pen input or thermal throttling during critical work again. The Helios 12 features a stunning 12-inch 2K display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving you more vertical space for documents and PDFs than cramped 16:9 screens. It packs 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a fast 512 gigabyte SSD, running Windows 11 Home smoothly with the Intel N100 13th generation processor. Here's what surprised me: the built-in cooling fan. Most tablets this size rely on passive cooling and throttle under load. The Helios 12 stays cool and consistent, even during hour-long Zoom calls or heavy multitasking. A marketing consultant I know was seconds from a meltdown during a live client presentation when her old tablet froze mid-deck. She grabbed the Helios 12, connected via micro HDMI, and finished flawlessly without a hitch. 2 full USB-C ports, USB 3.0, a headphone jack, 36 watts fast charging, and a premium metal body. Let me be honest, it's assembled right here in Florida, USA.
3 months in, the Fusion5 Helios 12 has become my daily driver for meetings, travel, and creative work. The active cooling keeps performance stable hour after hour. A tech industry analyst focusing on mobile PCs noted the Fusion5 Helios 12 addresses a key gap in the market: a well-connected Windows tablet with active cooling. The Intel N100 is a capable chip for its class, and pairing it with 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM prevents the bottleneck often seen in budget tablets. The U.S. assembly claim is a significant differentiator that resonates with a segment of consumers looking for alternative supply chains and perceived quality assurance. A verified purchaser and small business owner reported, "I bought this for inventory management and client presentations on the shop floor. It's fast enough for our cloud-based POS and inventory software. The metal body can handle the occasional bump, and knowing it was assembled in the USA gave me extra confidence in its durability." I was initially concerned about the Intel N100's power compared to higher-end chips, but for real-world tasks like office, web browsing, video calls, and stylus note-taking, it's more than enough. The included stylus alone saves you $50 to $130 compared to competitors. Fusion5 has been around since 2010 with over 2 million customers. They're not disappearing tomorrow. The only minor limitation? Heavy video editing or AAA gaming isn't this tablet's strength, but that's not what it's built for. What's the one task you'd trust a fanless tablet to handle without choking?
The Fusion5 FWIN232 Helios 12 Windows 11 tablet transforms how you work, study, and create. No more thermal anxiety, no more stylus lag, no more adapter hell. Thousands of students, professionals, and creatives are already using it daily for real Windows productivity on the go. Results may vary based on your workload, but the reliability is tangible. Full disclosure, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Click through and see the difference today. Your next deadline deserves better than a tablet that quits on you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.